Hello and wonderful morning, dear kids. As we are dealing with our new chapter, Pronouns, of Unit 2, English Grammar, we have discussed about pronouns, its definition, and also we have seen many examples. So today we will do the textbook exercise. Now let's get started without wasting any time. And don't forget to carry your pencil and book along. So our first question, that is on page number 35, is A. Write he, she or it for the pictures. As we already know, pronoun he stand for a boy or a man. Pronoun she stand for a girl or a woman. And pronoun it stand for an animal, a thing or a place. In the first picture, we can see a boy. So we will use pronoun he. The second one is a picture of a man. So we will use pronoun he. Third one is a picture of a table. We will use pronoun it for this. The fourth one is picture of a place. You can see a kitchen in this picture. So pronoun it will be used for this picture. The last one is, here is a picture of a girl. For a girl, we will use pronoun she. Underline the pronouns. We have to underline the pronouns in the following sentences. Before doing this question, I would like you to see this chart that is on page number 34. We have already discussed this chart in our previous video. In this chart, there are some pronouns. This will help you to do the exercise. You will see pronouns I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you, they, them, and these. These are the pronouns that you will use in this question. You have to underline the pronouns. The first one is already done for you. We are playing hide and seek. Pronoun we is already underlined. The second one is, will you play with us? There are two pronouns. Word you and us both are pronouns. Third one is, I am hiding behind the bush. So we will underline I. Fourth, they are hiding behind the tree. We will underline they. The fifth one is, it is a neem tree. It is a pronoun. So we will underline word it. C. Underline the correct pronouns in the brackets. We have to choose the correct pronoun. There are two pronouns given in the bracket. We have to choose any one correct pronoun. The first one that is already done for you is, this is Reena. Reena is a girl. We are talking about a girl. He or she like to play badminton. So we will use pronoun she. Second, Sarah has a balloon. Sarah has a balloon. Balloon is an object. It or they is blue. We are talking about the color of the balloon. that is blue. So we will use pronoun it here. It is blue. Third, Swati has a baby brother. Swati has a baby brother. He or she has only 2 teeth. Who has only 2 teeth? The baby brother. We are talking about the baby's teeth. So, baby is a boy. So, we will use pronoun he. Fourth, my aunt and uncle live in Vellore. They or she will visit us in May. My aunt and uncle. We are talking about 2 persons. So, we will use they. We use they for plural pronoun. Fifth one is there are 2 chicks in the nest. 2 chicks. Again, we are talking about 2 chicks. So we will use they. They make a lot of noise. Sixth, Suman and Aman are friends. We are talking about 2 persons. That are Suman and Aman. They both are friends. They or she go to school together. They both are boys. So we will use they. Seventh, this is Anil. Anil is a boy. So we will use he for Anil. He is my cousin. I repeat, this is Anil. He is my cousin. The last one is Raji was first in the race. Raji may be a boy or a girl. But here the options are she or it. So obviously it will not be a correct option. So we will choose she. She got a medal. The next question D is fill in the blanks with pronouns. Here are some pictures given. With the help of these pictures, we will fill in the blanks. The first one is my sister cannot speak. Dash is only 4 months old. You will see a small baby. This is a sister. Sister means girl. So what we will use here? We will use pronoun she. She is only 4 months old. We can see in the picture. This baby is 4 months old. The second one is, here you will see a cricketer. Shikhar plays cricket. This is Shikhar. He is playing cricket. He is a good batsman. We will use he for Shikhar because Shikhar is a boy. Third, here you will see a duck. A duck can swim. A duck can swim in water. Do you know this? A duck can swim. Dash has webbed feet. See the feet of this duck? The feet are webbed. So we will use it. We will use it for duck because it is an animal. The fourth one is a horse can neigh. Neigh is a sound of a horse. So we will use pronoun it for horse. It cannot bark. Horse cannot bark. Who bark? Dogs bark. Horses neigh. So we will use it here. The fifth one is Mary had a little lamb. Can you see this little lamb? This is Mary and this is a little lamb. Dash followed her everywhere. Who followed her everywhere? This little lamb. This little lamb is an animal. So we will use it. Next one is school. In the picture you will see a school. My school is very big. Dash has many rooms. School is a place. So we will use it. The seventh one is the children are in the playground. Can you see the children playing in the playground? They are playing football. We will use they for the children because they are many in number. That's why we will use they here. So this was all about our today's class. In the next class, we will discuss about the pronouns this, that and these, those. Time to say bye. I hope you enjoyed our today's learning. We'll meet you in the next class. Till then, keep on practicing and keep on learning. Thank you and have a good day.